Welcome everybody. So this is a quick rundown how to use Vellum brusher for a balloon configuration and playing with the wrist length, so we can have this inflation of the balloon, and it will be restricted by the wire frame up in here. So as you can see here, it's a couple of 2, 4, 2, 4, 12 total platonic shape rendered in REDSHIFT in Houdini. So as you can see how it's inflating according to the space and the resistance and the sub-step. So this is the setup. These are the cameras. Here is just a box, and here, yeah, this is the box. Let's make sure to hide other geometry, and this is the setup that we use. So it is a platonic object, a T-bot, Utah T-bot, and we have this football shape and the dodecahedron and another platonic icosahedron. They've been transferred side by side and put together instance using a copy and transform, then another copy and transform, boom boom boom. Then we separated it. What we separate here, I added a convert line, so I'm having the wireframe of the geometry, adding poly wire, so we have a shape, as you can see, that will be included as a collision geometry. On the other branch, I'm importing the shapes, running a VDB for a surface, VDB from polygon. So we have this one. Just for simplicity, let me cancel this one and play with these only. What's the error message? Being converted to quad and triangle. Okay, maybe we can do remesh here. Okay, and this one need to be converted. Convert, and here we convert all to polygon, so here we have accurate shape. Remesh, no need. Let me see how it look. Yeah, something like that. So with the remesh, okay, please keep it. Now I'm converting it let's say 0.1, and I'm eroding it down below, so compared to the shape it is a little bit smaller, so it's small, so there's a space to calculate with the wireframe. Remeshing it again. Do we need to remesh? No need to remesh. Subdivide, so no need. Then here I added a vellum cloth and put set uniform for the mass, so it's light, and we calculated the thickness. Let's make it 0.1, and we have very small stretch stiffness value. Same thing for the bend. But here we are exporting the output group for the bend, but we don't use it. In Vellum brusher I have the stiffness 6 also, but I'm exporting the stretch as f stretch. here in the Vellum solver I'm running 2 sub-steps, and inside I added a Vellum constraint property, and I'm animating by using shift and left mouse click edge. I'm animating the scale, so it's going up to 3. Maybe you can go up a little bit here. Something like this. Okay, close. So it's animating on the F stretch. So let's have a look. Just for timing, I'll change the time. So here we make it start faster. So this one I'm taking 3 something, I'm adding it here, and this one also I'm deleting, so it starts immediately. Maybe we can make it like this, so it is sudden rise. Let's have a look now. So it's running for a while. Let's have a look. So this is how it's expanding. Let's examine this area. Why? Because here, let's merge. We'll just bypass this one and add it here. So these are the wire frame. Maybe we can give them a color so we can differentiate, and I'll make it black, something like this. So the more sub-step you will have, the better the outcome. Maybe I'll cancel the Vellum post process for now. Cancel. Let's look at one of the cameras. Material, I used 2 material, just a white paper material. Maybe we can add some reflection to it, with roughness. In the background I don't want any reflection. Maybe we can change this one to be brown a little bit. Okay, let's have a look. REDSHIFT. I'll choose one of the cameras. Let's go with this one. Let's examine. We can play with the. Let's make it as a glass. It's okay here. Maybe we can choose tinted glass. Go to the first frame, reload. Maybe I'll make this one even thinner. Pull a wire, we'll make it only 1, and refresh. 1.5. Here let's stop it. We'll go to the scene, let it run for a while. Something here. Okay, so let's see this frame. Render. So it's acting like it's a water plastic, aluminium, copper, gold, iron look nice, lead, platinum, silver, milk coffee. This one look ugly. We'll come back to it. Jade. So let's go back to the milky coffee. Let me just new float window, and we'll make sure it is viewer city view, new camera. Let's change it. So this one even look nice. It's ugly, but it's nice. Maybe I can change the background color, something darker. I want dark. Something even darker, something like this. And the light, let's go up to the light, and I'll make it 1, and I will create another light. So the light I will create, let's make it from the back, something like this. So we'll create a redshift light. We'll go to the redshift light while pressing Control. I want to stop this one. Let's modify it, and the light we want to make it cold, and we need another light on this side. And this one, by pressing Control, go up, and we will make it warm. So let's go back to our camera and hit the render. See where we at. And let's play with the, put this one here, play with the first light. And the second light, we can make it pink and increase its intensity. Oh, it's too much. Maybe 300 or even 500. This one make it 600. This is light number 1. Let's choose it and come closer. Here we need camera 1. Yeah, see, it look creepy. Maybe play with temperature. With the color, reset, and we increase this one, and maybe if we make it as a sphere, so we have something in the background. Maybe this one also make it a sphere. But we go down. I think rectangle is better, and we go up. Something like that. Let's pause and go a couple of frames. take a down view. Let's remove this one and have a look. Render. Close up this area. Type of color. So what I will do, I will just stop and go back to the, not this one, the other one, and I'll just add this one. We'll go to process and this one, so I have more items now. Okay, let's have a look. Maybe I need to bring this back to 25. Here I'll just reload and here, because we are not simming now. We go to the first frame. Another frame. I remember, because here I cancelled these. I should not cancel, so I can have a view. So if I render it again, now I can decrease this one, the boolean wire, to 0.15. Stop it, go a couple of frames. I'm looking at it here. Okay, so this fire, and go in between. I want a crazy T-bot, where is it? It's now sliding also. Okay, stop and choose a frame. And they are just pushing up and out. Here it should be here. Okay, let's render and see. Our keyboard now. Very cool. Let's choose another camera. Not this one, this one. Here I want camera 3. Maybe here we can transform, take it and then merge both of them together. Let's visualize, and the transform will go up. Maybe 1. 2, 3, so 2.5. Let's render now. On this angle, I think would be nice. We have some red. So you can keep on playing with it non-stop. So thank you very much, and